Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your dark skinned look on Dress to Impress, because I know some people just do it out of disrespect and they don't do it properly and they don't showcase the beauty of like dark skin, sorry. And this is just me trying to explain like how you can add like cute colors to it and not make it look ashy and just make it look glowing like this, for instance. So I'm just doing this on this skin color. It is the 5C3922. So my tips for dark skin is, if you do contour, do not use like white, like the white color. I know you like normally use it for like lighter skin color, but you're going to actually just use the ones up here. So for instance, like this one, and it's still a little bit too bright for the nose. You can kind of like move it kind of downwards a little bit here, like this color-ish. Okay, that's a little bit too red. You can use this color. You can still use this color, just make it a little bit darker here. And then for the nose, usually it's like this, but obviously we're not going to want to use that. We're going to again use the darker skin color here. And then for the lips as well, you can use some colors to it. Like as you can see, this still looks like really good, but I do put it like on the darker like side of the color palette, and it just looks much better here, like especially this tone. But again, you still can use colors, as you can see. It still looks pretty, so just use the colors that you want. And then for the eyeshadow, obviously again, well, I use white, but obviously this is just like the glitter part, and you can add more, you can add colors to it as well here. For instance, like this lilac tone, super cute. What else can you add? This like, oh, that's so pretty. Like this color, like this goldish orange color is so pretty as well. This gold too. My gosh, that is actually really cute. But yeah, I know I've seen like a lot of people like rant about it on Twitter, and I just want you to like, I just want to show you guys like it's not that hard to make this look pretty. Like there we go. Like look how pretty that is. Okay, so please do not make it ashy anymore and just stick with this color. If you want like cool tone colors as well, it doesn't have to look ashy. I might do a tutorial on like cool tones. I know not everybody is obviously warm tone like this, but that is my take on how you can make it look a little bit more natural and actually like pretty. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.